So today we are going to learn new module that is art creating. In that we are going to learn ingredients of art. First, we will learn. First, note down that in your index. Lesson number and lesson name. Lesson number maybe. Yeah. Ingredients of written. Very good. Okay. So what we are going to learn in this lesson? First we will learn how artists use a various element of art to create a unique style. All the great artists having their own art style, their own unique art style. Okay. So and develop an opinion about the different art. So first, what we are going to learn? First, we will try to understand the various elements of art, create a unique art style. And okay, we will create any famous artist like Raza, Emile Hussein, all the European artists, Pablo Picasso, Leonardo da Vinci, and famous artists. Also, and Vincent Van Gogh. So we are going to recreate their artwork and see we are going to recreate this artwork by changing any one element of art. All of you aware about this element of art? Yes. Okay. So, what are the 7 elements of art? You will tell me. Yes. Can you stand? Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Shape, good. Texture, colors, form, space, value, texture, already know the table elements of. Okay, there is a line, shape, form, color, texture, value, and space. All that 7 elements of art. Now, which element is your favorite? Now, first try and understand. All the 7 elements are there. Okay. But any one element you like the most, or you are very creative in that. You are too good in that. That you need to tell only. Okay. And which element you are favorite? That means you should be creative in that. You should be very good in that. Okay. That is that kind of question. Okay. Value. What is the value? Value here. Yeah. Okay. Did you learn value? Color. Color. Why? Because we can make a plain drawing uh, very like it pops up and make the drawing very beautiful. One space. 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 Only one. Okay. Why do you like space? You know how to. You know which kind of composition you are using in space. Can you tell us? Well, right. No, I want to know about the space. Anyone? How you can use the space? Okay, texture. Anybody? No one? Okay, texture. Texture. Yeah. Texture. Okay. Realistic. Okay. So, all of you are aware about the seven elements of art, and you have your own favorite element. So, as cook makes his favorite thing, he usually has what ingredients. Is there a recipe we can follow and create art? Yes or no? What ingredients does an artwork have? Ingredients means seven elements of art. Okay. So, like cook makes his favorite dish. He gives ingredient to put on the ingredient. Dish. Yeah, delicious. Like that, artist, using his favorite ingredients art to make his painting unique. Okay. And come to know. So there are many choices when we create art. While we are creating art, we have many choices. We have seven elements of art. Okay, we can use any element, and even you want to put that element, you can do. So we have seven elements of art. This ingredient of the art consists of the seven elements. As you can see, while we are making a painting, we are also putting that elements as the ingredients. When so to make our painting, to make our dish creative, fulfill our dish. Artist unique recipe and the chef or the cook having his own recipe. The artist also having his own recipe. So each artist has their own unique technique and style using the seven element of art. That's why that's what makes them stand out of the famous. Out and famous. Importantly, artists do not copy someone else's recipe style. Okay. What he is doing? He is using all the seven elements of art, and he is master in something, and he is putting the element of art maximum in correct or in a very unique way. Okay. So that thing, so that makes the artist unique style, and that One more thing, he is not going to copy any other artist. Yes, please. If any famous artist is making his painting, then he is not copying other artists' style, recipe. Okay. He is trying to build his own recipe on unique style. Understood? Okay. So right now we see Vincent Van Gogh. You heard that name before. How many of you? No? Okay. Now you heard now. For example, Vincent Van Gogh has a special style to his art. He used thick line and colors expressively in all his painting. That was the artist Vincent Van Gogh. Okay. According to me, what I have heard about him, that he made a 900 painting in his lifetime. Okay. Many famous paintings are there, Starry Night and all that. So self-portraits are also there. So how do you making the self-portrait? What you can see in this painting? Anyone? 7 elements of art. What he put in that painting? Texture of a. What you can see? If you see right. You see the short lines, short and thick line, which brush strokes are there. He is not just painting like us. He was continuously using that thick strokes like that. See, like that. Very slowly, patient. That makes his style unique and that makes that artist great artist. Okay. Now, many artists are there in past. Those who are great artists. One of the great artists is Vincent Van Gogh was a famous artist and yeah. Now this is a kind of yeah, Starlight by Vincent Van Gogh. Same artist and a different painting. Now in this painting, one of the most famous landscape in art is the Starry Night was painted by Vincent Van Gogh based on the view of the countryside from his window just before a sunrise. Okay, before the sunrise, he saw from his window, he painted that starry night. What element has if you are taking something, then why you are telling me the answer? When you are listening your hand. No, no one will answer like that. If you want to give the answer will be considered when you will raise your hand. Yes. Lines. Okay. The lines are there. You can point and tell me. You can come here and where you see the lines, just mark and write the lines. Okay. Have patience. We have 4 rows. Okay. Okay. Lines. Okay. So as see, while pointing, what I made is that you have to point here, okay, and you have to write lines. Whatever elements you see in that, you have to write. Okay. Yes. Go and mark there and write also. Where you find the shape. Okay. Just mark there points. Okay. You write the pictures. Point. What is seen in this painting? Or we are talking about the 7 elements of art. Yeah, you can't tell the same. If you find the difference, when now there will be no meaningful painting. If the contrast is not there. Okay. Sir, different what? There is space. Anyone who can again show the space? Yeah. Show the space. So we have shown the same thing here. You can you see from here? Yeah. Okay. The space between that mountains and the village. Okay. Space is also there and which is element light, shape, texture, space. Will show the value. Now shape, texture, space, value, color. Like anything. Bond is missing. Don't show the bond. First observe the painting. I have seen the bomb. You have to observe the painting and tell me there is a bomb. You can come closer. You show the form. The houses. Houses, right. So in 120 above Vincent Van Gogh, we have seen that 7 elements of art. But the main use of a one element that is a color lines. Can you see everywhere the brush stroke of the line? Okay. So that painting style was made by him. Means he was the only artist used to make that kind of painting. He was using that lines. Thick brush stroke, small lines. It is not just coloring, it is a thick brush stroke. So as he is using one element, so that is there. We have also pointed Shape, texture, light, space, form, value, colors, all the ingredients or all the elements we have also shown. So see all that answer you have given. Okay. Today, what we are going to do with the activity that is today we will recreate, not copy. Okay? Recreate famous artwork using 7 elements of art. All of you are aware about the 7 elements of art? Yeah. So today we will recreate any famous artwork, any famous artist, and by using 7 elements of we will change the recipe that is one of the element of the art. So how we are going to do that? We will change any one element. As we have seen, Vincent Van Gogh was using the line, short line. Okay? So that was his unique style. We can also pick any element of art to make our own style. And we can recreate the famous artwork by using our yeah creativity or our skills. So whenever you change the recipe, let's see how artwork does. Paul P. There are several points to change this artwork. Okay, so we have 7 elements of art. We can change. This is just for a reference. How artwork we can change by changing just the one element. That is most important. You can't change more than one element. You have to change only one element. See, yeah, only one element you have to add. What we do to observe the painting. Okay? What are the plants are there? What kind of painting is that? And what will be suitable if you are going to change? You can add a line in that. But we are not going to make that painting. We have a different painting. This is just for a reference. So we can use the lines. Let the boy come back. Experiment. In the so you can add a line or pattern. You can add a line or pattern. Maybe can lines to be that yeah. You can see different art form using lines, rows, spending. The art of images grow. Anyone want to change the shape? How do you change the shape? Which shape you want to change? You can change only one element. Only one element you have to change. You are not going to add. Huh? You have to change that shape only. The existing shapes you have to change. Okay. What changes you can do? Yeah. So, okay, wait a minute. We have also limitation of time. So we have to see. This is a circle shape. We are going to change the shape. If we are going to change a single element, what we can do? We can put a square at the place of circle, or we can put a semicircle at the place of triangle. That means you are playing with the shapes. You are changing the shapes. Got it? And to every shape you are going to recreate, you are going to replace with some other shape. Got it? It may be geometrical shapes or manual shape or natural shapes. Okay? That is up to you. So we will see. And if you want to make a lines, you can use lines here. Na? All of you are aware about the lines. That kind of lines you can put. Yeah. Okay. Let's check. Let's see. So if you are going to change the line, you are going to add a line, one element of R. Please be mindful about the one element of R. We are not going to change all the painting. So what is the basic concept? Rather than copying any famous article, we can change any one element of art and we can recreate that painting. Okay? And then we are going to see is that much beautiful or more beautiful. Okay? So if you are going to change the lines, so what is happening? See, wavy lines are there, some patterns are there, dots are there, that dotted line is there, scallop line is there, okay, zigzag line is there. So we can recreate the artwork. Now, when we are talking about the lines, we are speaking about the lines. One area. Okay. You can't change the color scheme, can't change the value, you can't change the space of position. Yes, we stand up. Yeah, just because this is the original artwork that is made with the different color medium and we are recreating in the watercolors. So that difference will be there. Okay. But what happens means composition will be the same. Colors will be the same. Okay. Next. Only one element. If you are going to change the color, you have to change the color. You are not going to recreate with the lights. Let's see. If you are going to change the colors, then you will change only color. Okay. You will just change colors. So what will be say? If possible, your triangle will be smaller, it will be a bit. That kind of things can be done. That all will be considered. You just need to change the color. As you can see, blue is there, orange. Both the colors opposite. Yeah. Next. So all of you got this point. Only one element you have to change. How if you will going to change the color? So simply what he had done, instead of blue, you put the orange. Okay. So orange and blue, opposite colors. That is also now you can observe the painting, which is the good or both are the good. Both are looking nice. We are going to change another one element. Okay. Instead of circle, sun, there is a star. Instead of that, straight line. What is there? Yeah. See. Instead of the dot to triangle, there is circle. Yeah. So what's the changing in the shape? So you have to return the shapes only. Then are the colors same. Good observation. What is there? A different angle. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. That. Here there is a key. Then from one, which element they have changed? From. So is that a same drawing? Yes, it is the same. Okay. Just one element they have changed. Yeah. 3D shape means form. And this is consistent. Okay. There is a red square. They made a red cube. Okay. Instead of triangle, there is a pyramid. Okay. So all of you understand what is the about? It's just changing a one element, and instead of copying the any artwork as it is, we can recreate it using a any one element of art, and whole the recipe will get changed. Okay. What is changing there? Yeah. Sun first seems dark, and then the louder oh. Can you know what is the change? Sir, this is dark, so between dark and it is light. Very good. Yeah. Yes. This is also same. It's very dark. This is very medium. Yes. Here in you can see dark, medium, and light. So change in a value. Rest all the things are in a place. Okay. Yeah, only color is there. Yeah, sphere. That you can show. Yes. See, the original thinking when the academic or oil comes. Okay, we are the students. We are not going to use that colors here. We are going to use poster color or watercolor, basic color, oil pastels to recreate that. So that difference will be there. Okay. What we are going to change the value. If you are going to change the value in each and every shape or form, we have to show the three things: light tone, middle tone, and dark tone. that particular color. Okay, and everywhere there should be a value. Maximum, we should show the values in that painting when we are choosing any one element. It's up to you if you are using the line, then you should be create the lines. If you are changing the shapes, you have to change the shapes. If you are changing the forms, that should be a 3D form. Colors, then you have to change the full, all the colors. Colors only. You are not going to play with any other element. Got it? Which element you have changed? Texture. Is that beautiful? You have to add the clouds. Can you see that? Formation. You can see the cloud is there. Okay. Okay. So, what is one point that you have? This. So, this is simple now. They have changed the space of the object. Yeah. Now, after you understand, you can you can create a artwork by using one element, by adding only one element in the existing artwork. First, we will copy the artwork, okay, as it is, and we will change the one element. So why it will be not as it is copied, it will be a recreation of that artwork. All of you understood? Can lower your hands so we can go ahead with the painting. Wait. See, first try and understand. Okay. So I would like to don't waste your time planning all that things. Okay. So see, this is a painting by Andy or all. Andy or all the artist. It was. Okay. You can see all flowers are there. Try and understand. This is the artwork. We are going to change only one object, element. So this is kind of easy task. If you understood, if you not understood, if you change two things, you change the space also and you change the value also. Then so and the next frame, this is a print by Raza. Famous Indian artist Raza. He you have to change on any. See, both the values are there. You have to choose any one value. And you have to copy. Okay. Each element you are going to buttons. Okay. What is the condition? You can survive, I can also survive. Now, we are going to plant the tea. So before that, I would be very clear about the elements. You can change only one element. Okay. You have to change only one element. You have to mention your element. And now here you will mention the element. Like, okay, if you want to change the lines, what you will do? I will change the lines like that. But rest the thing will be same. Only one person is there. Yeah, if you are going, I'm just showing you about the two examples. Please be mindful and attentive. Okay. So you just simply going to change the lines. All the lines you will change. Yes. So if you need to change all the lines, color will be the straight. Okay. Now about this, everyone see if you change the space. The space means composition. Composition means anybody knows the compositions? How we can change in the space? How can we change in the space for this paper? After.
You can take a flower with put it on corner of one thing.
Good.
There space one color line.
We can overlap them. Okay, that is also good.
The glass.
Okay. Now about that four flowers, we can put all that flowers in the line.
Leaf also.
So this is the change in the composition. One flower will be purple color, two will be pink color, one will be yellow color. We are not going to change the color. We are not going to change the lines. We are not going to change the texture. We are not going to change the value. We are just going to change the pace. Okay? So you can, this is a linear composition. Okay, in line, maybe diagonal, it may be horizontal, it may be vertical. So that kind you have to take any one. Wait a minute. So now you have to recreate the artwork using your favorite element of art. Okay.